Using a cheap spreadsheet to do the bookkeeping for your freelancing business might save you a few dollars, but the time-consuming data entry, shoebox full of receipts, and clunky invoicing process could be costing you more than you think. So in this video, we're going to see how you can save lots of time and maximize your profits by doing your books in Xero instead of a spreadsheet. I'll show you how to sign up to Xero with a massive discount, get paid faster with Xero's invoicing tools, do your quarterly BAS in just a few minutes, and more. Also, make sure you stick around until the very end because I'm going to show you how you can learn Xero for free right here on our channel. Okay, let's get going. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up to Xero if you haven't done so already. To help you save some serious money, Xero is sponsoring this video and offering a huge 90% discount off your first 6 months. To get the discount, simply click on the link in the description below and sign up to Xero on the next page. This offer is valid at the time of recording, so if you want to save lots of money, check out that link. Now that you've got Xero, let's see how it can help you ditch the spreadsheets and maximize your freelance business profits. If you earn money by invoicing clients, you'll be happy to hear that Xero comes with a range of inbuilt tools to help you get paid faster. After adding your logo and business details to Xero, you can start sending professional branded quotes and invoices to your clients. You can send a quote by email directly from your PC or your phone, and the second they approve it, you can convert it into an official invoice in Xero with just a single click. Then, once you've finished the job, you can send the invoice by email from your phone or PC, and if you've connected Xero to an online payment gateway like Stripe or Pinch Payments, a secure Pay Now button is added right onto the invoice. Your client can simply plug in their card details, tap the button, and pay you immediately, putting cash straight into your bank account. If you use Pinch Payments, you can also pre-approve customers, which gives you authority to take payments automatically. So no more stressing over whether your customer will remember to pay you. We highly recommend checking out Pinch Payments for smooth payment processing, and you can check out their link in the description below. For clients who don't pay on time, you can just turn on Xero's automated email reminders to politely nudge them on a custom schedule, such as every 7 days, so the software handles the chasing in the background while you focus on your client work. Whether you get paid via invoices or through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, if you use Xero, there's no need to manually type transactions into a spreadsheet. Instead, you just need to connect your business bank account and online wallets, such as PayPal, to Xero, and it will automatically import your daily transactions, completely eliminating manual data entry. After the transactions have flowed into Xero, you can quickly and easily reconcile them either on your PC or on your phone. You can also use bank rules to help automate the process. You can set up as many bank rules as you like, which makes reconciling your regular transactions a breeze, saving you lots of time and guesswork. And as a pro tip, always keep your personal and business finances separate. Never connect your personal bank account or online wallets, such as PayPal, to Xero. If you do, your personal transactions will end up in Xero, creating a messy reconciliation process you definitely want to avoid. Just get a dedicated business bank account, PayPal account, and any other accounts you need and hook those up to Xero. Now that we've got your income sorted, let's talk about your expenses. For a freelancer with a small business, I recommend using Xero's free inbuilt tool, HubDoc, to manage your expenses without the shoebox full of receipts. When you get a receipt, you simply snap a photo of it on your phone. HubDoc reads the date, the supplier, the amount, and the GST, and then pushes it straight into Xero for you. You can then attach the receipt to a transaction in your bank feed and feel safe in the knowledge that you've got all the evidence you need to claim your tax deductions and GST credits. It's all right there in Xero. If you want something more sophisticated to help manage your expenses, check out Dext. It's an advanced alternative to HubDoc that offers deeper data extraction and smarter automation for complex workflows. Dext is very popular with Xero users, so if you want to check it out and get a 15% discount on your subscription, make sure you click on the link in the description below. If you've got different income streams, you might want to know which ones are profitable and which ones are wasting your time. You don't need to open several bank accounts to track this because Xero has a feature called tracking categories. Here you can create different categories for each income stream, and when you get paid, you can tag the income transactions in your bank account feed with your category name. You can also tag your expenses and then run reports to see exactly how much profit you're making for each source of income. The last thing any freelancer wants to do is spend all weekend trying to lodge their BAS return, which is one of the main reasons I recommend Xero because they make it so easy. If you keep up with snapping pictures of your bills and reconciling your bank transactions, Xero will send the GST amounts to your activity statements behind the scenes. This means that when BAS time comes around, all you need to do is check it and lodge it directly from Xero to the ATO. As long as you keep your accounts clean and up to date, this barely takes a few minutes each quarter, which is a massive time saver. Also, if you need help, your tax accountant can log into your Xero account from their own office, so no more endless emailing or taking time off to visit them. While spreadsheets may seem like the cheapest way to do your freelance business bookkeeping, they take up your time, drain your billable hours, and leave you guessing about your profitability. With Xero, you can securely link your bank accounts and online wallets, automate your receipts with HubDoc, lodge your BAS in minutes, and keep a close eye on profitability. So if you're ready to get started, make sure you click on the link in the description below to get your 90% discount of the first 6 months of Xero. I've also provided links to the add-on apps mentioned in this video to give you easy access to the best deals they offer right now. And when you're ready to learn Xero for free, head over to our Xero Beginners playlist right here on this channel to learn exactly how to set up your account step by step without spending any money on a paid course. So that's it for this video. I hope it helps you decide whether Xero is right for your freelance business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.